Hey everyone there out on YouTube. This is Reef Crest Lagoon coming to you in October. I am new to YouTube. This is my first video, and I have a 180-gallon reef tank that has been running for probably about 4 years as a fish-only tank. Now I am converting the tank over to a reef-only, and it's been running for about 7 months with some BRS rock in it, and I've been very patient in this hobby. Right now at this time there's only 3 fish in the tank. I am getting the parameters ready for some corals. I also have another tank I'd like to show you in future videos where I plan to quarantine the corals for about 6 weeks. What I'm doing today is I'm trying to get my calcium and my alkalinity and my magnesium correct. Right now we're in about week 2 of trying to figure out the tank parameters. Currently right now the parameters that I have are the calcium is holding at 400, alkalinity at 9.8, and the magnesium's at 1100. And we're dealing with a nitrate issue of 0.50 ppms. And potassium is 0.30. Salinity 1.020. It's a little bit low. Temperature 78.7. So currently what I've done so far is I've been using the bionic calcium, and I've been adding points here of the BRS 1.5 milliliter dosing, which I have connected to the apex, and they turn on every 15 minutes out of the hour. And so at this point right now, just trying to see if I can get the calcium right. So I plan on doing a test right now with the new Aquaristick auto stirrer, which is really cool. I'll show you this. You'll probably get a kick out of this. Put your dosing material in here, your sample. It's got a little pill in there, a magnetic pill. You just press the button, the pill spins around, and it does all the stirring for you. So it makes your life a little bit easier. Right in front of me here we have our little 3.5 gallon aquarium. This is on my kitchen table. And we have a pair of clownfish that I've had probably for well over 5 years. This tank has a few pieces of live rock from my 180 gallon and some of the reef sand from the 180 gallon, and I also brought over some of the bacteria that I put into the filter when I transfer the fish. These fish have been here for say roughly about 2 weeks. They seem to be doing quite good, and they get a little water change once every 3 days from the 180 gallon. They get the water from the big tank. So at this point, guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. More videos to come, but right now we're working on the calcium and alkalinity and magnesium. Stay tuned and I will update you on how the dosing is coming out. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this channel, please subscribe.